What's up, guys? This is the Samsung LSP9T with the Screen Innovations Ultra Short Throw screen. This is what it looks like during the daytime. And this is what it looks like during the nighttime. Check out that cat. Check out the motion. Check out these greens. Look at these boats. And what about that? Look at all this fruit. Look at that apple. Okay, so seriously, guys, I'm sitting here joking around with this video, but just wanted to show off just a quick little B-roll of the Samsung LSP9T. This thing actually does a really good job of sharpness as well as color recreation from left to right. Sharpness on the entire image is very well created, as you're seeing right there with the motion. And in this next clip, you'll see that the blacks are incredible on it as well. Check it out. So not bad. But this is the Samsung LSP9T with the Screen Innovations Ultra Short Throw screen. If you guys would like this combination, let us know. We'd be happy to help you out. Make sure you reach out and show your support. That's all we have for this video. Catch you on the next one.